Let's go to the indicators. Now, how do you define, ito yung mga magiging warning signals nyo. Yes? When trading, this will be your warning signals pag a stock is already overbought or oversold or pag may reversal na. So aside from the patterns, this will tell you pag eto na talaga. Kumbaga, this will confirm. So, I'm going to teach you 3 specific indicators na very basic at madaling intindihan to the point na to the point na you can utilize them. Let's start with MACD. Who's familiar with MACD? Okay. So, MACD,
naaralan ko ba yan?
let's move forward. Yung aralin yung definition na. Anyway, this is the MACD. Okay? This one. So, if a lot of you have CitySec online accounts, right? If you have MACD, the red line is that to know if it's bullish, the darker line should be above the red line. Okay, that means it's uptrend. Kumbaga kung parallel siya, it's uptrend. But when you see na nagda-diverge, when I say divergence, nagpapalit na sila ng pwesto. Okay? For example, dito. Dito parallel pa siya. Pero at this point, nagko-cross na siya. Nagpapalit na ng pwesto na yung red line, the line, nagpalit na siya ng pwesto. So, as you can see, nag-downtrend din siya. Same thing here. This is not CitySec online, kaya yung red yung nasa taas. So, same thing here. When it fell down, nagpalit din ng pwesto yung line. So, that's an indicator as well. Okay? So, for example here, parallel. When it's parallel, that means it's an uptrend. Pero, pagdating dito, as you can see, nagpalit ulit sila ng pwesto, downtrend. Every time na nagpapalit ng pwesto yung 2 lines, the reversal is going to happen. Either when it's up or down. Okay? Clear? I hope, please bear with me kasi it's very technical, I know. Pero I'm trying to use the simplest words as I can. Okay. Basta, every time na nagda-diverge yung line, that's a reversal signal. Now, RSI. This is very basic. You just have to take note of two numbers.
70?
80 and 20.
80.
Okay? For example, when a stock is near 80, let's say 79, 75, na yung RSI, that is overbought. Ibig sabihin, yung mga tao, masyado nang bumili, masyado nang mataas yung presyo ng stock. Okay? Pag nasa malapit 80 na siya, let's say 70, malapit, ibig sabihin,